How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, this is your phonic reader 2. Now open the page number 8. Now let's start the reading. IT8 IS is, it is a FAT, fad. It is a fat. DOG, dog. It is a fat dog. Read it again. IT8 IS is a FAT, fat. DOG, dog. It is a fat dog. Now read the next line. IT8 IS is, it is a HOT, hot. It is a hot. PAN, pen. It is a hot pen. Read it again. IT8 IS is a HOT, hot. PAN, pen. It is a hot pen. Now read the next line. A BAG, bag. INN, a COT, cord. A bag in a cord. Read it again. A BAG, bag. INN, a COT, cord. A bag in a cord. Now read the next line. A FAN, fan. A fan. WITH, with. A fan with. A ROD, rod. A fan with a rod. Read it again. A fan with a rod. I hope children you will understand that how can we read this page. So you have to read this page at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.